In the swirling vortex of modern investment opportunities, AI stands out like a beacon, guiding the way toward futuristic growth and technological advancement. As we edge deeper into 2024, the transformative power of artificial intelligence has permeated every sector, turning once staid industries into hotbeds of innovation and high returns. This seismic shift is not merely a fleeting trend, but a thorough redefinition of how we interact with technology, data, and even each other. Welcome to the age where investing in AI is not just savvy, it's an imperative for those who seek to remain at the forefront of economic evolution. With AI technologies evolving at an unprecedented rate, identifying the leaders and trailblazers within this space can significantly enhance one's investment portfolio. Today, as we explore the top 5 AI stocks of 2024, we are diving deep into a world where technology meets profitability. The global AI market, projected to reach unprecedented levels by 2030, has become a cornerstone of modern economic discourse. Factors propelling this growth include advancements in machine learning, increased data availability, and significant improvements in computing power. Governments and private sectors are pouring billions into AI research and applications, aiming to capture a share of this lucrative market. The surge in investment is not just a testament to AI's technological allure, but also to its broad application across various sectors. This widespread adoption is creating ripple effects, influencing everything from supply chain logistics to personal entertainment. In this fertile economic environment, AI companies are thriving. Their ability to leverage cutting-edge technology to deliver efficient solutions places them at a competitive advantage, appealing to savvy investors who understand the long-term potential of these innovations. Company A, a household name in the AI sector, has consistently pushed the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can achieve. Known for its revolutionary approach to deep learning, Company A has been pivotal in shaping AI applications from autonomous driving to advanced image recognition. The company's robust patent portfolio and strategic partnerships with leading tech firms globally underscore its market dominance and innovation capacity. Financially, Company A exhibits strong revenue growth and a sustainable profit margin, drawing the attention of investors looking for stability and innovation in their portfolios. Continuing to invest heavily in R&D, Company A is not resting on its laurels, but is instead setting the stage for the next wave of AI advancements. Their forward-thinking approach ensures they stay ahead in the AI race, making them a compelling choice for investment. Emerging as a leader in healthcare AI, Company B uses artificial intelligence to revolutionize diagnostics and patient care management. Their platforms integrate AI with medical data, providing predictive insights that enhance treatment outcomes and improve clinical workflows. By focusing on tangible benefits such as reduced hospital readmission rates and faster diagnosis times, Company B has gained significant traction within the medical community. Financially, its model of software as a service provides recurrent revenue streams and high scalability potential. Company B's commitment to compliance and ethical standards in AI applications further heightens its appeal, ensuring it aligns with global regulations and gains trust from both the market and consumers. Company C stands at the intersection of AI and robotics, creating autonomous robotic systems that perform complex tasks across various industries, from manufacturing to logistics. Their cutting-edge algorithms enable robots to learn and adapt, enhancing efficiency and safety. Investors are particularly drawn to Company C's dual focus on innovation and commercial viability. The company's strong financial health, characterized by steady capital inflows and impressive market capitalization, underscores its potential for growth. As industries increasingly rely on automation, Company C's advances in AI and robotics are well positioned to capture a significant market share, making it another strong candidate for AI investment. Company D is democratizing AI by developing platforms that allow smaller enterprises to implement AI solutions affordably and efficiently. Their plug-and-play AI modules cater to businesses lacking extensive tech infrastructure or AI expertise. This approach not only broadens the reach of AI technologies, but also opens up new revenue streams for Company D. With a solid financial foundation and a high client retention rate, the company has carved out a niche that promises substantial return on investment. Their commitment to making AI accessible reflects a strategic foresight, acknowledging the expanding scope of AI adoption across business sizes and sectors. In a world increasingly concerned with digital security, Company E has positioned itself as a leader in AI-driven cybersecurity solutions. Their AI systems proactively detect and respond to threats, significantly reducing the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks for businesses globally. Company E's technology is not just reactive, but predictive, using AI to analyze trends and predict potential security threats before they materialize. This proactive approach is revolutionizing how companies protect their digital assets, giving Company E a competitive edge in the cybersecurity market. Financially, Company E benefits from both a high demand for cybersecurity solutions and the recurrent revenue model, typical of SaaS companies. Their robust financial performance, combined with strategic partnerships in the tech industry, makes them a lucrative option for investors interested in AI and security. Investing in AI stocks requires a nuanced understanding of both the technology and the market dynamics. Here are several strategies to consider. 1. Diversification. Spread investments across different AI applications and sectors to mitigate risk. 2. Long-term horizon. AI technology evolves rapidly, and patience is key to realizing significant returns. 3. Research and due diligence. Stay informed about the latest AI trends and company performances. 4. Active monitoring. AI markets can be volatile. Regularly review and adjust your investment portfolio as needed. By employing these strategies, investors can navigate the complexities of the AI market and capitalize on its growth potential. It is also advisable to consult with financial experts who specialize in technology investments to tailor a strategy that aligns with individual risk tolerances and investment goals. The era of AI dominance in the investment landscape is just beginning. As technology continues to evolve and integrate into every facet of business and personal life, the potential for AI to drive substantial economic growth is undeniable. The top 5 AI stocks of 2024, as discussed, not only highlight the diversity and innovation within the AI sector, but also underscore the strategic importance of incorporating AI investments into your portfolio. In this rapidly changing world, those who understand and invest in AI could not only witness, but also contribute to a transformative era of technological and economic advancement. As AI continues to redefine industries and create new markets, the horizon is bright for investors ready to embrace the future of AI. This visionary approach to investing is not just about financial gains, but about being part of a larger narrative of progress and innovation. As we look forward, the role of AI in shaping our world is only set to increase, making now the perfect time to invest smart in AI stocks.